Hi. So CCTV systems have become absolutely ubiquitous. They are everywhere. There's elements of CCTV systems around your data gathering where you can actually point the cameras, trying to actually put in a camera system to achieve what you want. So if somebody is coming through a door, do you just want a very clear shot of their face as they come through a door, or do you need a general overview of what's going on inside of a particular part of a building? There's nuances to CCTV system design that we see out in the industry. It's not really there. The typical example is put a camera in, point it where you want, and it seems to be doing what the end user wants. But there's nuances around complying with the PSA licensing requirements for CCTV, and now with the advent of GDPR and the recognition aspect of people as they pass through their normal life and they aren't covered by what the requirement is for the CCTV system. It's something you need to be mindful of. So if you're looking at designing a CCTV system and you need some guidance or advice in that, we have experts here that can help you with that. Thanks.